Hello, today we're going to be learning real quickly how to use the fraction key on your calculator to do calculations involving fractions and how to work with your calculator a little bit to make some of the problems a lot easier. We have this tool. This is the one I have. It's a TI, Texas Instrument 30, nothing fancy. And the fraction key is this little A, B, C key that you see. To use it, I'm going to just do this simple 2/3 plus 1 1/5. To do that, we're going to hit the 2. You'll see the 2 come here, and then your ABC key gives you this little I don't know, this little bar thing here, and then the 3. So this, when you see this in your calculator, this represents 2/3, and then we're just going to add 1 and 1/5. So each time I did that, I hit a 1, and then I hit this ABC key, the 1, and then the ABC key and the 5th. So if you see this in your calculator, that's 1 and 1/5. I'm going to hit my equal button. And now my answer is 1 and 13/15. So there it is in fraction form, which is a lot easier than doing this longhand. Although you could get your common denominators, adjust your numerators, and then add them. If I want this in fraction form, there is this little, on top of this PRB button, is this F with these like double arrows and a D. That represents fraction to decimal. So if I want to take this fraction here, this mixed number, and turn it into its decimal representation, I hit the second button, second function, hit that key, and you'll see that my answer is going from a fraction to a decimal or vice versa, and hit my equal, and now I have it in its decimal form. If I have a decimal, like here I have a decimal, and I want to go back to a fraction form if it's possible, I just do that again. So hit that second function, and it goes back to its fraction form. So if I had 2.6 and I wanted it in its fraction form, I do that second function, that little FD, and there it is, 2 and 3/5. Okay, if I wanted to multiply two fractions, let's say I wanted to multiply these, again, 2/3 times 1 and 1/5, and I'd get 4/5. There, a real quick introduction on how to use that ABC key, our fraction key, to make life a little easier when doing operations with fractions. Thank you.